more than data engineering and modern data warehouse. So today I'm going for modern data warehouse, which I'm using in my organization. You guys know this is very important nowadays. We every company, every industry moving towards a data lake or lake house. So let me introduce. So it's very simple. Basically, I'm going with the cloud. So for example, we have data sources. So data sources can be like social media database, IoT database, clickstream database, Google Sheets, any relational database, MongoDB. Then on the real time we are doing here integration, so people want to see the data real time or batch, so we can use Kafka, Kinesis, and any other tools like which can take the data from the source or the or the PySpark or Spark. Okay, so now the next part is I'm going here is storage layer, right? Storage layer. So nowadays people, so uh, as you know, like 5 year or 10 years back, Hadoop came and then cloud came in picture. So nowadays most of data people are storing in S3 or Google storage. Similarly for Azure also they have the storage ADLC and GCS. And okay, and the format for the storage or the format of the table on top of this they have format they call Delta Lake format, Hoodie format, Iceberg. So this is very industry standard. And the processing, so nowadays the data keep increasing, the processing of all the things is happening using Spark, which is open source. Databricks is on top of Apache. It's a managed service, and it's a quite expensive. I will not recommend the industry to use, but most of company use and they pay. And then Flink and service layer is independent to all those this, but this Power BI, Tableau, and this kind of stuff. So data governance is a very important part. Like if you create tables, but nobody knows where is the table, what is the meaning of column, what is the security level. So data governance play. They have like Glue. AWS have the Glue, and Databricks has the Unity catalogs and those things, and Pure View and Atlas. These are the things. So this is the lakehouse formation. I I I just introduced, right. So if you see here, these are the engine or tool on top. Here is a catalog, and here is a file format, and here is the data, and data format is the table format, is the file format. Yeah, so this is the landscape the industry is going. So you guys need to learn about this one. So if I talk about Spark, you need to learn Spark, Flink, Hive. There are various technology, and DBT is also very important. So nowadays, the most of transformation, data transformation, means selecting from one table, joining many table, and putting using the DBT. So similarly, Snowflakes and Cloudera and all these things are working together. So what is a lakehouse? So if someone will ask in the simple way, you can say data warehouse plus lake. Data lake is a lake house. So lake house architecture combined with reliability and performance, whereas with the scalability, cost effectiveness of data lakes, it's enable organization to handle large volume of data, ensuring data integrity, efficiency, query and flexibility, analytics, and cloud agnostic. So when I say the cloud agnostic means same the code you are running here in the Google, same code you can run AWS with minimal changes. There will be some changes, there will be some configuration changes, but that's the architecture in the industry. So this is how I created. So IoT data, database, social media data, Kafka Kinesis, Event Hub. So this is, real-time events, and then Azure S3. Yeah, Amazon S3, Azure Blob Storage, Google Cloud Storage, and on top of that we have Delta Lake, Apache Hoodie, Apache Spark, and Databricks, and Power BI. Also selecting data from that, and this is Unity catalogs, and also I created on my Miro boards. If you would like to, change or something you want to do, you can access this one. So basically, this concept is open formation and flexibility. So use upon the table format like Apache Hoodie, Apache Iceberg, Delta Lake, file format like Parquet. Independent data tiers means data is stored independently, can be accessed by compatible compute engine like BI. So if you put data into one cloud, but still they can access BI, ML, and streaming. Yeah, this is lakehouse diagrams. So when I talk about component, right? So it can have data source, which I talk about raw data format from various injection layer to like Apache Kafka, Apache Kinesis, and Azure Event Hub injected into the data storage layer, which is very important. So data lakes. AWS Edge, S3, Azure,